Here is the engine crankcase filter exchanged 1.7 quarts. So that's how much we're going to have to put in. The oil filter I'm using, it's a NAPA Gold 365, made in Vietnam. I'm going to be placing in 10W30. Triple action formula, keeps your engine running like new, protects 10,000 miles, advanced full synthetic. Got 2 quarts we have to put in, as we saw earlier, 1.7. Let's see, I came online and found a manual for the motor. It says be sure to stop the engine before replacing the filter, allow the engine to cool, remove the oil filter. But the important part here is to scroll down to the location. Alright, I got to it on the left hand side. They said right rear. I got to it, I'm left-handed, so I got to it from the other side, and it is located right there. You can get your hand on it. And that's what I did. Let's see. Got your cautions, be sure to stop engine, allow it to cool down. You see here, we want to be the left tire. We want to be behind the tire, right there. And there appears to be a bolt that goes in right there across the bottom. So I'm going to have to drain that. It's a 1365. It is not lubricated, so I got to put some oil on it. Some engine oil. Okay. $7 a quart for Mobil 1. Okay. Alright, I'm going to have to do something with you. I don't know exactly what just yet. You'll see my arm reach across, I'm sorry. Oh yeah, alright. I'm gonna have to move you all together. I'm sorry. Turning you off. Alright, I can see some damage to the cowling there, but okay, you should see the filter is screwing on. It says contact. And half a turn. Sorry, I need leverage. Alright. Okay, so there it is. Tightened, and on the left side, you'll see the motor fan here. See the motor fan there, okay? You see the oil filter back there, and as I slide in here, you will see a 14mm socket right there. That's where we remove the engine oil. So I'm going to do that off camera. I'm sorry, there's only so much room in annoyance. There is the oil. Here is the oil draining. It does look dirty. I don't know how many years it has on it. Here is the plug with the metal washer. I'll reinstall. Okay, I am now on the passenger side of the vehicle. Here is the dipstick. Here is the fill port. I won't have trouble in the 6-8 months when I change it again. It's just that it's been a learning experience for the second time. .562.7, so 562 on the Kubota. Okay, here to make it look a lot easier here. All right. There is the filter. You see a clear shot. You'll see on that white paint where some of it is gone. I'll show you what caused that. If you look right there where my finger is, you'll see the drain plug. So everything can be accessed on the driver's side, so you want to do it. The reason I was struggling with the oil filter and other stuff is this right here. There's a stick right there that was wedged across. But once that's gone, and you shouldn't have a stick there, you can easily see everything you need to get to. Alright, so I'm just going to fill it up and check the oil, and I'm going to do this off camera.